Hey, today we're going to talk about my favorite Italian wines under $15 because there are a lot of them. Hey, welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We're here to help you know more and drink better. And kind of continuing with some of the listicle series, if you will, where I list out a bunch of wines under a price point so that you can continue to explore and progress your wine journey. Normally, I use $25 as that sort of upper boundary to say, okay, here's the best options under $25. But when I was compiling the list for Italian wines, it was just too big. Uh, there were so many wines under $25 that I figured, or that I needed to kind of break it up. I guess think of this as part one of that video, because we're just looking at wines that are $15 and under. I'll do another video in the coming weeks around wines that are under 25 but above $15 from Italy. So I mean, I think there's such a breadth of variety and great wines in Italy. And in this case, we're just talking about red wines. That's the other thing too, is when I looked at across the board under $25 for red and white, it's like, okay, I gotta have to do like 5 videos. So let's get started. I think we're gonna start in Sicily because there's a lot of good value there. I've had good experience with Cusimano's wines. So Cusimano does a Nero d'Avola as well as a single vineyard, a single variety of Syrah. Syrah tends to grow well in Sicily. Also, it's not as widely planted as some of the native grapes, but Syrah, either by itself or as part of a blend, tends to do nice things down in Sicily. One other wine from Sicily that I really love is the Planeta Letta Nero d'Avola. Again, you're gonna continue to see Nero d'Avola on this channel. I recommend you get on board because you're gonna find that it's a great alternative to your Cabernet Sauvignons and Merlots and some of those red blends that you probably drink all the time and maybe you're getting tired of. That's Sicily. We're gonna shift into Tuscany. BB Greats makes 3 different wines, or I mean, at least 3 different wines that have Mata at the end. The low level, right, the Casamata Rosso, can be had for the bargain price, and is always a really reliable way, and nice little entry level to get into their wines. Then you can go up to, I think Testamata is the next one up. Then there's, I'll have to put it down here, Mata, that's well over $100, and that's going to likely be out of my price range to enjoy. Another favorite of mine is the Donna Laura Ali Sangiovese. This is a wine that's from the Chianti Classico region, but they don't necessarily, it doesn't meet the Chianti Classico designation or DOCG requirements. So they just release it as a Sangiovese. Great entry-level Sangiovese wine, lots of nice cherries, and always well balanced and very consistent year after year after year. One of the wines that I really enjoy from Campania is the Donna Chiara Aglianico Irpinia. This guy. I bought this one recently. I also have so this is the IGT, because they also have a DOC Aglianico, a little higher in price, but I'm going to do a side-by-side tasting soon of those two, because one has some oak aging, this one does not. So it's so they can afford to keep it at a lower price than the other one. Really nice option. Aglianico is a variety we're gonna explore quite a bit this year as well. And then again, I enjoy a lot of Montepulciano di Abruzzo wines. They're well priced usually, always well priced. I think they're friendly. I think they can be crowd pleasing. Most of them are pretty kind of medium in style, right? Nice fresh fruit and easy to drink. Mascarelli, excuse me, Montepulciano di Abruzzo. Sometimes I see this thing for like $9, and if you're looking for, I mean, there's some landmines out in the Montepulciano world, but I always find that Mascarelli is a really nice one to pick up, and you don't have to think too hard about it. The last two wines that I'm going to talk about are from the Veneto region. One being Allegrini Palazzo della Torre. We talked about this one in our Valpolicella episode, and I think I'm going to link that up here. I think I finally got the area where I'm pointing correctly. I keep saying I'm going to link something here, and then it should be here. I hope that's right. I don't here. But Corvina blend. This guy is is a little bit of a different blend of grapes, right? So it doesn't fall under any of the Valpolicella rules, but it's always a really nice blend and easy to drink and easy to source. The last one of my faves is Masi Campo Fiorin, another red blend, and Masi does so many. I mean, their breadth of their wine catalog is from Campofiorin up to Amarones and whatnot, and they really do a great job across the board. And the Campofiorin, in this case, red, but also they have a white wine I think under the same name. It's really nice. They're both those are going to be winners. So nice tight list, under $15 or under for Italian reds. I will see you guys soon.